Hi, everyone. So we're going to be reviewing today a couple of things you've been learning about time. Okay, so you can print this paper and do it with me. You can just follow along and watch. You don't even have to print it, or you can even just write your answers on a separate sheet of paper. Okay, so here we go. So let's look at this first one. This is the time Tim goes to school. So let's look. Remember what I said? The hour hand, like a little dog. Hour, hour, hour. And minute, minute, minute. You're jumping up like a big, long frog. So this is our hour hand. The short one is the hour hand. The long one, think of that frog jumping high, is the minute, minute, minute hand. Okay? So looking at this, write the time he goes to school. So I see the hour is at 8, and the minute hand is at 12, which is o'clock, 00. Now, do you think it's 8 o'clock a.m. or 8 o'clock p.m.? If you said a.m., you are correct, because you're going to school at 8 o'clock in the morning, not 8 p.m. You're probably getting ready for bed. So I'm also going to write a.m. So this next clock down here, this is the time Tim eats lunch. So let's look. Here's our hour hand, 1. And our minute hand is at the 6. Do you remember what the minutes are when the minute hand is at 6? If you're not sure, let's count by 5s. We always count by 5s for minutes. So starting at 12, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So the time is 1:30. And since it's in the afternoon, it's when he eats lunch. Oh, I froze for a second. 1 second. Using my daughter's iPad. Okay. So since it's lunchtime, we're going to write p.m. Anything after noon, 12 o'clock noon, is going to be p.m. until it becomes 12 a.m., which we're usually sleeping at that time. It's the middle of the night. Let's look at the next one. Tim will get home 1 hour after lunch. What time will Tim get home? So when we're looking at this, it's only saying 1 hour after. So our minutes are going to stay the same. So we're going to show the time he gets home, and we're going to write the time he gets home. So let's show our minutes first, because that does not change. So our minute, that long hand, is going to go to the 6. It was at the 1 before. It was 1 hour. But 1 hour later, what time is it going to be? What is the hour? If you said 2, that is correct. And before we draw in our hour hand, remember, since it's halfway through, our hour hand is almost to the next number. So when we draw our hour hand, it's not going to be exactly on the 2, but kind of between the 2 and the 3. It's not yet at the 3, but it's making its way there. Okay? And so our time is 2:30. And again, p.m. because it's in the afternoon. 2:30 a.m. is in the middle of the night. Okay, let's look over at this side. This is the time Pam takes a walk. Let's write this time together. So looking at the hour. So, I notice it's between the 4 and the 5. Is it at the 5 yet? Nope. So it's not 5 o'clock yet. So it's still 4. And then our minute hand is 30. And is it 4:30 a.m. or p.m.? If you said p.m., you are correct, because 4:30 a.m. is very, very early in the morning. Let's look at this next one. This is the time Pam comes home. Write the time she comes home. So the hour hand is at the 5, and the minute hand is at the 12, which is o'clock. So we know it's also going to be p.m. Now the last part. Pam will eat dinner 1 hour after she comes home. What time will she eat? Show the time she eats, write the time she eats. So If we know the minute hand is not changing, because it's just 1 hour, they didn't say anything about minutes, we're going to draw our minute hand back in. Right up at that 12. And if it was at the 5 before, 1 hour later is going to be, you guessed it, at the 6 or 6 o'clock p.m. All right, nice job, everyone. Thank you for following along with me today. If you have any questions or you're still a little confused, please reach out to either myself or Mrs. Beal, and we'll be happy to help you and give you some other activities and resources if you need them. Okay? Hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. See you soon.